Where do I start with nutrition? Well, we touched upon what nutrition you need in a previous post. You've got to keep it simple. Try to do the basics well and eat at consistent times. So 3 well-balanced meals per day, breakfast, lunch and dinner. If you feel hungry, then have healthy snacks either side of these meals, just to try and keep you feeling fairly full so you don't overeat at your next meal time. Try to consume the 6 essential nutrients with each meal, so the 2 micronutrients, vitamins and minerals, and the 4 macronutrients, water, protein, fat and carbohydrates. Remember to try and only eat the calories you need rather than the calories you fancy, so remember the energy intake versus the energy expenditure equation. Keep hydrated, have at least 2 to 3 litres of water today. Active people may need more. Remember that balance is key. A healthy, balanced diet is what you're trying to aim for at consistent parts of the day, every day of the week. Let me know if you struggle with your nutrition in the comments below. Any questions? DM me.